Hello guys, once again welcome to Techo Friendly. Today I'm going to show you how to fix optimizing app issue in any Android phone. So the procedure is same for almost all Android phones. So without delay, let's get started. So here's the issue: whenever you press the power button of your phone, the boot screen loads up with the logo of the company, and it takes a lot of time to start your phone. And after your phone gets started, it shows something like this, like Android starting and optimizing app. So here I am fast forwarding a bit my video a bit so that there is no waste of time. So because this screen takes a lot of time to move because it optimizes app really slow your phone. So yeah, it's now for 104 of 108. Let it finish and I'll show you what happens after this. So yeah, it finished optimizing, but it is showing starting apps, and it won't start your phone really. Alright, so it will be stuck at this stage, starting apps like that. And even if it completes this stage, either the boot screen will load up, or it will be stuck like that. So here what you have to do is remove your battery so that you can start your phone again, and press the power button and the volume up key. Now in most of the phones the procedure is same. So after pressing power button and volume up key, what you have to do is navigate down and go to wipe data factory reset. You will get an option like that. There will be many options. Navigate down to wipe data factory reset like this. Over here is third option. So then press the power button, and then now here it is saying confirm wipe of all user data. This cannot be undone. So here it is saying what you have to do. So I am doing a factory reset here, guys. This is the only way to fix your phone. So I pressed yes, delete all files. So it is wiping or formatting my phone. Now guys, this is the only way to do it or fix this issue, because there is no other way. Or you will have to root your phone, but this is an handy fix. You can do it at home, or you don't have to waste any money for this. So it had completed resetting or formatting my phone. So here now I am going to reboot my system so that my phone starts again. So yeah, I'm rebooting my system, so it will take some time. I fast forward. So yeah, after rebooting, it will again show you optimizing app, but this time it is going to be fixed. I will show you guys how it is going to be fixed. It will show optimizing apps once again. So yeah guys, formatting is the one and only way to do this thing. So I would recommend you remove your memory card or any other stuff connected to your phone. Maybe you can recover your data later, or maybe your data won't be wiped. So let it finish. So yeah, it has finished, and your phone is once again in like new state. So here you have to select your nation and some setup wizard, SIM card and all that stuff. I will press next. So here I will select idea and next and skip. So skip Wi-Fi, it is telling me to connect to internet, so I will skip it. Skip. So here it is saying me to write my name. I will rather skip it. And here is the agreement. Just scroll down and click on next. So yeah, okay, press on OK. It's just random. So that's it, guys. Here I have fixed optimizing apps issue in the Lava phone. So this procedure is same for pretty much all Android phones, and I mean, there may be other solutions, but the solution that I have found out after many days of research and stuff, that the only way to fix this issue is by formatting your phone. And since you can format your phone as your from inside your system, as your system is stuck at the boot screen. So that's it, guys. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share my video to all those who is facing the same issue, so that they can be benefited. So stay tuned for my next tutorial video. Till then guys, take care. Bye bye.